say goodbye to mundane vacuuming chores and embrace the future of smart cleaning with the iRobot Roomba i4 Plus EVO. This cutting-edge robot vacuum takes the hassle out of maintaining a clean home, providing a seamless and efficient cleaning experience. Let's explore why the Roomba i4 Plus EVO is more than just a vacuum. It's your intelligent home companion. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Elevated performance with power lifting suction. Experience the next level of cleaning with 10x the power lifting suction and a premium 3-stage cleaning system. The Roomba i4 Plus EVO effortlessly pulls in dust, dirt, and pet hair from every corner, leaving your floors spotless. This powerful performance ensures a comprehensive clean that goes beyond surface level. Smart mapping for personalized cleaning. The Roomba i4 Plus EVO doesn't just clean, it learns and adapts to your home. Powered by iRobot OS and Imprint smart mapping technology, this vacuum navigates room by room, allowing you to direct it to clean specific areas on demand. Enjoy personalized cleaning schedules tailored to your lifestyle, whether it's a set routine or impromptu cleaning sessions. Hands-free cleaning with self-emptying technology. Imagine a vacuum that not only cleans but also takes care of its own mess. The i4 Plus EVO features clean-based automatic dirt disposal, eliminating the need to think about emptying the bin for up to 60 days. Empties itself into an enclosed bag, leaving you with the freedom to enjoy a cleaner home without the hassle. Perfect for pet-friendly homes, designed with homes and families in mind, especially those with furry friends. The Roomba i4 Plus EVO boasts dual multi-surface rubber brushes. These brushes flex to adapt to different floor types and effectively navigate pet hair without tangling. Let your pets roam freely, knowing the Roomba has got the cleaning covered. Seamless integration with smart assistants. Take control of your cleaning with the Roomba i4 Plus EVO's compatibility with Google Assistant, Siri, and Alexa-enabled devices. Simply command your robot to clean specific areas and watch it go into action. It's the flexibility and convenience you need to seamlessly integrate cleaning into your busy life. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.